Welcome friends, welcome back to my another clean planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Damul Islam from Pangal district of Bangladesh. Uh, friends, today is Thursday 21 July 2022. Now morning time. This Thursday morning I will try to remove polluted garbage, old plastic bottle from the green nature of our green vegetable garden. Friends, you can see here my back garden area, green nature, green vegetable garden. Uh, Friends, yesterday afternoon I cleaned some weeds from our green vegetable garden. Uh, After cleaning the weeds, I saw some old plastic polluted garbage from here. So uh, I saw some old plastic stuck in green nature and garden soil. So now I collect the polluted garbage and old plastic from here and threw them in the dustbin. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission is start now. Just action. Friends, eggplant of our green vegetable garden and the guava of our green vegetable garden. The guava, I collected one guava from this guava tree, and the green chili tree of our green vegetable garden. Green chili. Friends, this green vegetable and green nature. Yesterday afternoon, I cleaned some weeds from this part, and now I will try to collect polluted garbage and old plastic from here. Let's go, friend. Cleaning mission start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand. First I saw here one old plastic stuck in garden soils or uh, roof of green chili tree. Green chili tree. So I collected this old plastic from here. Friends, this old plastic is really very bad for our green nature, soils, vegetable garden, and other old plastic here. Stuck in সেটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন old plastic. This is a very old plastic. Friends, I saw here plastic bottle, unused plastic bottle. Friends, this is a old plastic. Sorry, this is a glass bottle, dangerous glass. This is very old. Another unused plastic bottle here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম এখান থেকে। Another plastic here, old plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। One more plastic, old plastic. Another old plastic here stuck in green nature. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন another plastic here. Stuck in green nature, old plastic and newspapers. All in all, old plastic. old cloth আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I cleaned some weeds from here. Another old plastic here. Very old, dirty. Plastic and newspapers. Plastic bottle. This is a very bad. Weeds, dry weeds. I saw here some polluted plastic, old plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন unused mask, very polluted old mask, old plastic, old cloth. All in all, very bad polluted product. I cleaned some weeds from here, so I collected polluted garbage old plastic from here. Friends, water pump of our green vegetable garden. I saw here one old plastic stuck in soil and green nature, very old. Very old plastic, friends. This is a very old polluted plastic that আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I collected many old plastic from our green nature of our green vegetable garden and garden soils. Friends, this morning I walking here, walking in this green nature of our green vegetable garden and try to collect polluted garbage and plastic from here. Another plastic here, dry weeds. Yesterday I cleaned some weeds from our green vegetable garden. old plastic, another plastic here, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here is second garden soils. Green nature of our green vegetable garden, beautiful greenery. I cleaned some weeds of our green vegetable garden, some parts of our green vegetable garden. Fruit of nature, beautiful. Friends, I collected many old plastic, old mask, unused papers, old plastic, old cloth, very dirty plastic collected from our green vegetable garden. Friends, I collected old plastic from the green nature and the soils of our green vegetable garden. Friends, now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. Friends, stop this bag, garbage bag. Now this bag threw in dustbin in our region. Let's go, friends. Friends, this our area's dustbin. I threw this garbage bag in this dustbin. Thank you.